that could be supportive for the prices going forward. We'll talk about the other international commodities as well, and Prathamesh Malya of Angel Commodities joins us for that. Prathamesh, hi. Crude oil prices has been a big talking point, 3% down in the overnight markets. What's your sense at these current levels?
I think crude has been rallying with perspective that OPEC is really doing its needful with regards to the production cut. But then you really need to have a look at the flip side of coin, wherein US production is rising, inventories are rising. I think these are the two factors which should possibly pull down oil prices in the near term. And I think crude might possibly correct almost $3 from here on in the international terms. And on the MCX, you will almost see crude prices going towards 3,950 mark. So I think selling at higher levels is a better strategy now. And the strategy would be around 3960 is the entry point. Stop loss would be 4025 and target towards 3830. So I think we are looking for correction in crude.
All right. And how are you looking at the base metal prices? Because while, of course, on one side we have the deficit in supplies, the Chinese demand is expected to improve, and then the US and China trade talks seem to be going well. Would you say there is more bullish news in the circles than bearish?
I think, Manisha, the hopes still remain that US and China, the trade tensions might ebb over a period of time, and because of this, all the metals have rallied in the past two trading sessions. I think buyers are possibly exhausting here, and you might see some bit of correction. But then the best thing I would do a trade for a trader, so I would sell copper at this level at around 463 mark. I think at the stop would be 467 and target lower towards 55.
All right, those are the commodities those are the strategies rather for the industrial commodities for the near term. Prathamesh, thank you so much for joining us and helping us understand the price movement. But with that, it's a wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. After the bell comes up next.